5 undervalued stocks ready to surge. Don't miss out. Hey everyone, welcome to Delta Edge. Today we're diving straight into 5 undervalued stocks ready to surge. Stick around till the end because we have an exciting surprise worth 21,000 rupees just for you. Everyone's talking about the next big thing, the next Tesla, the next Apple. But what about the hidden gems? The companies quietly building momentum, poised for explosive growth. That's what we're here to uncover today. We're going to break down 5 undervalued stocks that I believe are primed to skyrocket. Now, let's get into it. First up, we have NHPC Limited, also known as NHPC. This company is a major player in the hydroelectric power sector in India. Renewable energy is the future, and NHPC is leading the charge. Right now, NHPC is trading at 100 rupees and 55 paise with a volume of 38,858,385. See that recent jump? NHPC has shown a 2.8% increase. And I think this is just the beginning. They have a strong track record and a massive pipeline of new projects in the works. India has set ambitious goals for renewable energy, and NHPC is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. As the demand for clean energy continues to grow, so too will the demand for NHPC's expertise and infrastructure. Every investment carries some degree of risk, and NHPC is no exception. One potential risk factor is government regulation. However, I believe the potential rewards far outweigh the risks. NHPC is a well-established company with a strong track record, a bright future, and a solid dividend yield. If you're looking for a stable, long-term investment in the renewable energy sector, NHPC is definitely worth considering. Next on our list is a company that's literally building the future of India Hindustan Construction Company Limited, or HCC for short. We're talking about large-scale infrastructure projects here, the kind that are essential for economic growth. The stock is currently trading at 47 rupees and 56 paise with a volume of 35,762,883. It's surged by 3.62%. That tells me that investors are starting to recognize the potential here. HCC is involved in major projects like roads, bridges, tunnels, and even nuclear power plants. These are complex, high-value projects that require specialized expertise, and HCC has that in spades. HCC has also been strategically partnering with international players, gaining access to new technologies and markets. Investing in infrastructure comes with its own set of risks. Project delays, cost overruns, and regulatory hurdles are all par for the course. However, HCC has a proven track record of delivering complex projects on time and within budget. The government is investing heavily in roads, railways, airports, and other critical infrastructure. If you're looking for a potentially high-growth investment in a sector that's crucial for India's future, HCC is definitely worth a closer look. Chapter 3. IDFC First Bank. Banking on innovation. Let's move on to the exciting world of banking, but not just any bank. We're talking about IDFC First Bank Limited, a bank that's not afraid to shake things up and embrace innovation. IDFC First Bank is different. They're focused on technology and customer experience, and it shows in their numbers. They're currently trading at 72 rupees and 53 paise with a volume of 25,523,344. It might not seem like a huge jump, but a 1.07% increase in the banking sector is nothing to sneeze at. They're tapping into a massive underserved market, young professionals and small businesses. IDFC First Bank gets it. They're offering innovative products and services like digital-only accounts, personalized loans, and seamless mobile banking. They're making banking easier and more accessible, and that's a winning formula in my book. IDFC First Bank is also laser-focused on building a strong customer base. They're known for their excellent customer service and their commitment to financial inclusion. The banking sector is not without its risks. Competition is fierce and regulations are always changing. But I believe IDFC First Bank is well positioned to navigate these challenges. If you're looking for a bank that's at the forefront of innovation and growth, IDFC First Bank is definitely one to watch. Their commitment to leveraging cutting-edge technology and understanding customer needs sets them apart in a crowded market. Beyond just numbers and technology, IDFC First Bank is deeply involved in community outreach, ensuring they make a positive impact on society. They are also pioneering sustainability initiatives, promoting green banking practices that benefit both the environment and their customers. Their efforts have not gone unnoticed, as they have received numerous awards and recognitions for their innovative approach and customer-centric services. With a visionary leadership team and a clear focus on the future, IDFC First Bank is poised to continue its trajectory of growth and innovation. So, whether you're a young professional, a small business owner, or just someone looking for a bank that truly understands your needs, IDFC First Bank is the place to be. Chapter 4. Canara Bank. A steady climb to financial success. Now, let's talk about a bank that's been a cornerstone of the Indian financial system for over a century, Canara Bank. Founded in 1906, it has grown from a small local bank to one of the largest public sector banks in India. This is a bank with a rich history, a strong foundation, and a bright future. Over the years, it has built a reputation for trust and reliability among its customers. Canara Bank is currently trading at 108 rupees and 22 paise with a volume of 24,292,529. This reflects the confidence investors have in its performance. That's a 3.04% increase, which shows that investors are recognizing the value that Canara Bank brings to the table. This steady climb in stock price is a testament to its robust financial health. They have a vast network of branches across India, reaching even the most remote corners of the country. This extensive reach ensures that banking services are accessible to everyone, from urban centers to rural villages. Canara Bank is also known for its strong financial health. Its consistent performance and prudent management practices have earned it a solid reputation in the banking industry. They have a low non-performing assets (NPA) ratio, which means they're very good at managing their risk. This low NPA ratio is a key indicator of the bank's effective credit management and risk assessment strategies. Canara Bank is not resting on its laurels. The bank's leadership is proactive, always looking for ways to innovate and improve. They're constantly evolving, embracing new technologies, and expanding their digital offerings to stay ahead of the curve. Their digital banking services are designed to provide convenience and security to their customers. They're also heavily involved in government initiatives aimed at promoting financial inclusion and supporting small businesses. These efforts help in fostering economic growth and development across the country. Investing in a well-established bank like Canara Bank can provide stability and consistent returns to your portfolio. Its long-standing presence and reliable performance make it a safe bet for conservative investors. While it might not experience the explosive growth of a tech startup, its steady performance and commitment to its customers make it a reliable long-term investment. For those looking for a dependable and trustworthy financial partner, Canara Bank stands out as a top choice. Chapter 5. PFC. Powering India's growth engine. Finally, we come to a company that's literally keeping the lights on in India Power Finance Corporation Limited, or PFC. This is the financial backbone of India's power sector, and they are playing a critical role in fueling the nation's economic growth. PFC's influence extends far beyond just financing. They are a pivotal player in ensuring the stability and expansion of India's power infrastructure. PFC is currently trading at 492 rupees and 45 paise with a volume of 24,072,515. This robust trading volume reflects the market's confidence in PFC's strategic direction and financial health. They've seen a solid 3.88% increase, indicating strong investor confidence in their future prospects. This growth is a testament to their effective management and strategic investments in the power sector. PFC has a near monopoly in the power financing sector in India. Their dominance is not just in terms of market share, but also in their ability to secure and manage large-scale financing projects. They're the go-to lender for power generation, transmission, and distribution projects across the country. This makes them indispensable to the nation's energy infrastructure. PFC is also extremely well managed. Their leadership team has a clear vision for the future and a proven track record of executing complex projects efficiently. They have a strong credit rating, a healthy balance sheet, and a consistent track record of profitability. These factors make them a reliable partner for both investors and borrowers. India's demand for electricity is only going to increase in the coming years. Urbanization and industrialization are driving this surge in demand. As the population grows and the economy expands, the need for reliable power will become even more critical. This underscores the importance of PFC's role in the nation's development. This creates a massive opportunity for PFC. They are uniquely positioned to meet this demand and support India's growth trajectory. They're perfectly positioned to capitalize on this growing demand and generate significant returns for their investors. Their strategic investments in both traditional and renewable energy projects ensure a balanced and sustainable growth path. Government regulations, environmental concerns, and the transition to renewable energy sources are all factors that could impact PFC's future performance. However, their proactive approach to these challenges positions them well for the future. If you're looking for a reliable, long-term investment in a sector that's essential for India's growth, PFC is definitely worth considering. Their strategic vision and robust financial health make them a cornerstone of India's energy future. Now, for the special surprise I promised. We're giving away 21,000 rupees worth of 5 financial calculators to one lucky viewer. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel, watch till the end, and send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 9113211787. Also, don't miss our exclusive course on how to automate trades, normally priced at 7,000 rupees, but for a limited time, it's available for just 99 rupees. Click the link in the description to grab your spot. So there you have it, folks. 5 undervalued stocks ready to surge. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more amazing content.